A good antivirus program is essential to a secure system, and you most definitely do not have to pay for one to get great protection. Below is our hand-picked list of the 9 best free antivirus programs that you can download for Windows today. All of these programs perform definition updates automatically, are always running to make sure your files are protected from malware and your personal information remains private, and can start scans on demand whenever you like. However, each of them do have a few prominent differences that make them stand out, so pay attention to those as you decide which one to use. Now all you need is to protect your Windows computer with a free antivirus program I'm going to give you in this video. Before losing much time, let's get started. Okay. 1. Avira Free Security. The main component in Avira's free software suite that makes it stand out is the optional, in-the-cloud detection feature called Protection Cloud. This scanning method lets Avira's antivirus tool identify and stop threats before they get out of hand. Avira can scan and remove existing threats as well as automatically detect and stop new ones. It protects you against ransomware, trojans, spyware, and other kinds of malware. You can even choose which ones to actively watch out for, and disable others, though it's not recommended, like dialers, jokes, adware, etc. In addition, Avira can speed up your computer and reduce boot time with its tune-up tool, help you find the best deals as you shop online, and warn you of malicious websites or software bundles before you download them. Avira Free Security is intended to run on computers with Windows 7 and newer. This includes Windows 11, 10, and 8. There's also Avira for Mac OS, plus a special Windows XP version. 2. Adaware Antivirus Free. Adaware Antivirus installs in minutes, is light on system resources, and can be used in one of 2 ways. The first is in regular mode where it checks for threats as they happen, but the other lets you use it in addition to your primary antivirus program. Whichever way you use it, Adaware Antivirus provides a defense against ransomware, spyware, viruses, and other forms of malicious software. You can find those threats through a quick, full, or custom scan. You can also protect the program settings with a PIN as well as enable gaming/silent mode to suppress notifications. Adware Antivirus definitely has its advantages, but because there's also a non-free version you can upgrade to, many additional options are not supported. The official list of compatible operating systems includes Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. 3. Avast Free Antivirus. Avast is used by hundreds of millions of people and ranks high in nearly every best list of antivirus programs, and for good reason. If you want a solid program that is sure to block new threats but is still easy enough to customize, you should consider using it. The antivirus portion has lots of options you can change, but it's still easy enough for anyone to use since there are information blurbs next to most items, so you're not left wondering what will happen if you enable them. Plus, both definition and program updates are performed automatically. A manual option is available, too, meaning you can install Avast and let it do its thing without worrying whether you're running the latest and greatest version. There's also a firewall, file shredder, and sandbox feature that's unusable in this free version. Avast Free Antivirus is compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. There's also a version for Mac OS, Android, and iOS. 4. Kaspersky Free. Kaspersky Free is a good choice for a free antivirus program if you want a simple program that boasts lots of features. It's easy to use and offers many advanced options if you care to look into them. This free AV program is also useful if your computer is low on system resources. It can automatically postpone scans and reduce display animations if the CPU runs too high. It supports idle scans for when you're away and lets you favor performance over protection by altering the overall security level. Kaspersky's free antivirus program runs on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. There's also an app for Android and iOS that goes by the same name. 5. Panda Free Antivirus. Panda Security's free antivirus program installs in minutes and has a minimal design. However, even though it's not a CPU or memory hog, and doesn't appear to be customizable, all of its many options are tucked away in the program settings. From there, you can do things like set up both on-demand and automatic scans to check compressed files and scan for potentially unwanted programs. The minimum operating system requirements for installing this program are Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, or XP. It should work equally well on Windows 11, too. There's also an Android antivirus app from this company, and one for Mac OS, though it's free only during a trial. Below is the Windows download. Those other download links are available on Panda Security's website. 6. AVG Antivirus Free. AVG's free antivirus program is easy on the eyes and even easier to use. Like most antivirus tools, this one lets you schedule scans, check for threats in archives, remove viruses right when they're found, scan USB drives, exclude files/folders/websites from scans, and run boot-time scans. AVG Antivirus Free is highly customizable. You can either install it and leave the settings alone to have regular protection, or go into the settings and make adjustments to nearly anything. Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, and XP are the official minimum OS system requirements. It also runs on Mac, 10.10 Yosemite and newer, Android, and iOS. Hope this video helpful to you. Share your experience in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching.